Hey, welcome to my channel, and this is the wig I have. I don't wear this wig anymore. Anyways, this is how it looks from the inside. It's a cap. If you look closely, they have this line, the lines of hair. You're just going to separate it. And you're going to cut along that line all the way through. So at this point I realized it is not that long. Everyone lomba nai ase as I thought it would be. Anyways, I think I have to get my creative mind back. To make the extension look little more longer, I am going to attach the wig in a small piece of fabric. The piece of fabric should cover your whole hair just like in the video I'm showing you. Now get a matching thread and a needle and start sewing the wig into the piece of fabric. Continue sewing the hairlines all the way to the top. Once you're done, you should end up having something like this, and this is how it looks from the back. And here is the final result. Thank you so much for watching and see you all next time. Bye!